Hello to all of you magical Cutie-Puffs, Claws, Slyths, and Gryffs. I'm going to show you how I made these DIY Harry Potter magic wands for my students. You can also do this for a Harry Potter party. So the first thing that you'll need to buy are these wooden dowel rods. I got mine from Michael's, but they sell them at other places as well. And the next thing is optional, but if you want to make the tip pointier, you can grind it down. I had my cute grandpa help me out with that. Then, get crafty and go wild with hot glue. You can make any kind of design that you want. The next step is to spray paint your wands, or you can choose to paint them. But if you do spray paint them, make sure that you wear a face mask and gloves, or it will be messy and hard to breathe. Finally, let them dry, and preferably don't leave them out in the rain like I did.
I could not pick which one to give you. You have to come up because the wand has to choose you. Yeah! Close your eyes and take one. Give it a wave. Give it a wave. Oh. Definitely not. Let's try again. Try another one. Give it a wave. Ooh. Give it a wave. What do you think? No, definitely not. Not suited. Let's try another one. Oh, this is like a Gryffs and Slyths one with a dragon heartstring. Does that suit you?
Thanks for watching my tutorial, everyone. If you liked this video, please make sure to subscribe, like, comment, and find me on Instagram at Magic Wand Blonde. Thank you.